Hi, everyone. It's Miss Vanetta. Happy Wednesday. All right, so I'm here to continue talking about our math and science lesson. First thing we're going to do is we're going to start on page 367, and you need a blue and a green crayon. Okay, we're on page 367. You need a blue and a green. Okay. All right, the first thing you do is go color the first one blue, okay? See those two red right here? And then we're going to go color the rest blue, okay? The rest of those are blue. All right, let's go do this problem. Okay, first thing we need to look at, what is our sign? What's our sign, guys? It's minus. Minus, okay? So go trace your minus. Now, next part, how many red? How many red are we going to minus? We have 2. Okay, so it looks like this. 10 minus 2. All right, so go put an X through the 2 red ones because we minused those. Just like that. Put an X through the red ones. So that means how many blue do we have left? We have 8. 8 blue left. Okay, and you can even do it with your fingers. So you got 10. Okay, take away 1, 2. 1, 2. Look, I'll do it again. Kind of messed up. All right, 1, 2. So how many you have left? You have 8. You have 8. All right, great job, guys. All right, on the next one, you got some orange ones, and then you need to go color the rest green. Got some orange, and then you got some green. So color the rest green. All right, what's the first thing we look at? Our sign. So what's our sign? Minus. Okay. So how many do we minus? How many orange do we have? How many orange? We have 5. 5 orange. Okay, so it should look like this so far. Okay, 10 minus 5. Okay, so what is 10 minus 5? So let's go put an X through the 5 orange ones. Okay, because we're getting rid of those. We're minusing those. Put an X through those 5 orange ones. So that means how many green ones do we have left? How many green right here? How many green? Yeah, we have 5. Okay, just like that. 10 minus 5 is 5. Okay, so look, you can even do it with your fingers. So you start out with 10 and you take away 5. That's one whole hand. Take away 5. How many do you have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There you go. All right, great job, guys. Go ahead and flip to the back. Okay, we're on page 368. Okay, page 368, and you're going to need a red and yellow. Okay, you're going to need a red and a yellow. Okay, so I'm going to keep it in here. I'm going to get out my red and I'm going to get out my yellow. Okay. All right, here's what it says. Okay, Sydney has 10 square tiles. Okay, so she has 10. Okay, 8 of the tiles are red. Okay, so go draw 8 red ones with your red crayon. Okay, go draw 8 squares. Okay, just like that. Okay, and how many tiles did we draw? We drew 8. So what's your sign? It's minus. Okay, minus 8. Just like this. Okay, you got your 8 red tiles, and we have our 8 right here, and our sign is minus. All right. So, what is 10 minus 8? Okay, so put up 10, and we're going to take away 8. So here's 5, 6, 7, 8. Whoops, 8. There we go. How many do we have left? We have 2 left. Very good. 2 left. All right. I know that one was kind of tricky, okay? So that means you draw 2 yellow squares. Okay? 2 yellow squares. I'll show you mine. Let me go draw mine. I know they're hard to see. You can hardly see them, but they're over here. Let me come a little closer. Yeah, see them? See my 2 yellow? It's hard to see, huh? All right, guys. Okay. I'm on to the bottom one. Okay, so we've got a cube train again, okay? We've got some blue and some red. So this is the tricky part. How many blue and red do we have? You count them all. You start out and you count them all first. How many blue and red? Don't just count the blue. Don't just count the red. Count the blue and the red. Okay, so how many do we have? We have 10. So go write 10 at the top. Just like that. All right, what's our sign? Minus. All right, now how many blue do we have? How many blue? We have 5, right? Okay, so it should look like this. 10 minus 5. Okay, so which one of those does it match? Does it match 5 minus 5? Or does it match 10 minus 5? Well, look, 10 minus 5. 10 minus 5. It matches the second one. Go bubble in or circle. All right, good job, guys. Okay, so when you finish, this is what you should have. Okay. Everybody see that? All right. Okay, great job, guys. Let me go erase this, and we're going to move on to science. Okay, but before we move on to science, y'all need to do page 370, okay? Let me show you. Page 370 by yourself, okay? It's this page right here, and you've got some cube trains again, okay? Careful on these, okay? Remember, you count them all first, okay? All right, page 370. All right, we're going to move on to science, okay? And we're going to keep on classifying, okay? So we've learned how to classify things by color, by shape, by size, by how something feels, its texture, okay? So we're going to keep doing that today. Yesterday we talked about shape. We're going to talk about shape again today. So we've got some objects right here, and we need to separate them by their shape, okay? So look at these, and we need to go circle the ones that I believe are, yep, rectangles and squares. So look on here. Where are the rectangles and squares? Where are the rectangles and squares? Okay, what about this one? Is that a rectangle or square? It's a square. It has a square face. Okay, so we're going to go circle that one. Okay, we're going to circle that one. That's some dice right there. Okay, so what about this turtle right here? Is that a rectangle or a square? No. Okay, so we're going to put an X through that one. Okay, what about the beach ball? Is that a rectangle or square? No. Okay. Oh, what about this yummy looking ice cream right here? Is that a rectangle or square? No. Okay, put an X through it. What about the cereal box? Is that a rectangle or a square? It's this one right here. Yeah, that's a rectangle. So circle that one. All right, what about this dragonfly? What is that? Is that a rectangle or a square? Nope, put an X through it. All right, what about this calculator right here? Is that a rectangle or a square? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Okay, so we're going to circle that one. And these rocks right here, are those rectangles or squares? No, put an X through that one. And the last one, the shoebox. Is that a rectangle or a square? Yeah, it's a rectangle. Okay, circle that one. All right, see all those that we classified? We have our square right here, rectangle, rectangle, and rectangle, okay? So we classified or sorted those by their shape, okay? So we have all these different things, and they're sorted by their shape, okay? All right, guys, you did so good today. I will see y'all tomorrow, and I hope you have a good day. Bye, guys.